Since the beginning of the year, I have been exploring shorts. I've posted shorts directly from my phone. It's relatively easy, but it's not ideal from the standpoint of the thumb pick, which makes a big deal. It seems to divide it halfway through. Now there is an option where you can take your regular longer video and turn it into a short. So I've been exploring that option also. In addition, I've been posting shorts on my regular channel, then turning the same exact video into a short. I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll show you some of the statistics using the exact same video in the regular landscape format and the short format. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get to your channel on YouTube. Here's a short that I've already made from a longer video, 48 seconds. Now I tried to make this video using this application. Didn't work out so well. This is also part of my testing of short versus short. Long version short versus the short short. Remix is what you want to do. Edit into a short. First thing you got to do is you want to move this all the way to the end. And then you want to come up here. It says 15 seconds. You want it to go the entire length of your short video. And then you want to take it all the way out. When you shoot the video, here's the whole frame. You want to make sure that all the primary action happens in the center area. Shooting with the grid on your camera, that helps out a lot. So I'm going to go through here. I'm pretty happy with this. I can actually move this over a little bit if I think it's going to help, and go back to the beginning. Just kind of run it through, make sure all the action is centered. That's not too bad. You got to sacrifice a little bit. The key part is to make sure the action at the beginning is where it needs to be. Now hit next, and it will go through a processing. Depending on your link, it may take a long time, it may take a short time.
Here's my situation. I've got a brand new...
And I just go to the next. So here you can add the caption, DIY monitor stand made out of junk. You can put the location in there if you want. You can put details in. It's easier to add any specific details using a laptop or something like that, but this will get your short into play. Then it says updating your video, see video, doing its upload, and I've got a pretty fast connection here, so it's been there for 8 seconds. You can edit here, but there's a couple things I want to show you, so we're going to go to the laptop where I think it's easier to edit. Here we are in a laptop. Get to your channel. Well, let's look at the short and see how it's doing first. And that short is right there. I'll open that up.
Here's my situation. I've got a brand new monitor that I'm going to put into my desk menagerie.
Okay, so that's playing actually on the shorts in YouTube. So I'm going to go back home, go to the monitor stand. This is my short I made.
Here's my situation. I've got a brand new monitor.
So here's my original video that I made that's a short that's 47 seconds long. It's the exact same video except for here's the short, and here's the regular format, the YouTube. And I'm just testing it out to see which one does better from a money aspect and all that stuff. I'm going to just copy it all. Copy. And then I'm going to go back to my videos, go to edit, the little pencil, and I'm going to pop this in here so that it's exactly the same. Hit save, then I'll go down here and play with my playlist a little bit. Test the tech, how to, DIY, it's a short. Hit save, go back up, and there is the short. Let me show you something interesting. So here we have a short video, like I did before. This one's 26 seconds. That's the beginning of a longer video of how to install these locks. Everything is identical. That was posted on the 6th of September. This was posted a day later. This has 242 views, 2 comments, and 8 likes. Now look at the exact same video, only in the short format. Everything else is completely the same. 15,406 views, 35 comments, and 167 likes. But with those likes will come more thumbs down. If you can handle that, you're going to get a lot more exposure with the shorts than here. Now, which one's going to make more money? We'll find out over a period of time. Okay, so this one's made $1.86, had that many views, but here's the great thing. If you want to pump up subscribers, the shorts is the way to do it. So let's look at the longer format, or let's look at the traditional, we'll call it the traditional format. Let's see what the stats on that are. 41 views, 0.3 on watch time, and there you go, a simple DIY on how to turn a standard video into a short. And then a little bit of discussion about which one makes more money, this wider landscape format or the short format. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in how to optimize your engagement on YouTube, designs of all kinds, home repairs, making and breaking things, evaluations of sports gear, designs of sports gear. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.